Today's practice is about hearing the call and getting up. Welcome to Wake Up Epic. Our body-mind move is inhale, add. It's a yin body, a soft receiving body. We reach out to the horizon, to everything that's out there. Inhale. Allow it to come here. Everything out there, what if it's coming here? Reach out, inhale, add. As if you were to say add, and then breathe in. Inhale, add. Now sometimes this is when we're feeling overwhelmed. There's too much going on. There's too much to handle. Too much is coming at you. This is often when I'll have a client say, like, I'm feeling under attack. So let's tune into that. Inhale. What's overwhelming? Everything out there in the world right now, what's overwhelming you? This move is about your capacity to handle it, to weather the storm. Inhale, add. The camera's shaking a little bit. There's a bit of a storm going on. I'm here at Harvard Stadium. Inhale, add. If we get overwhelmed, we lose our sense of orientation or location. So knowing where you're at is crucial here. So how much capacity do you have that you don't acknowledge to handle the call? Inhale, add. If you truly knew how much you were the hero of your story and your life, what would be possible? And would it be okay if sometimes it's overwhelming and you write yourself back again like a cat landing? And if you were hearing every whisper that's calling you, no matter how subtle or how profound, what would you know? How would you answer it? Finally, what do you love about your story, about your contribution, about your whole life being a gift? Last one. Great job. Inhale, add, hearing the call. Our movement for today in Wake Up Epic is getting up, which means we were down. So take a knee, take both knees down, touch the ground with your hands or fingers, and then come back up. So getting down is extremely useful to be able to consciously, effectively, efficiently, comfortably be able to get down and then get up. Sometimes we need to get down for lots of reasons, to rest, to relax, to get something, and oftentimes we need to get back up. Obviously, physically. Get up into what the world is asking for from us. So, find a rhythm. One knee goes back, the other knee comes down, you touch the ground, you come back up. Find a rhythm. Now the rhythm I'm making, I'll tell you about in a minute. Just notice what the rhythm is that you're making. A lot of times people will give up their own body's wisdom to copy someone else, which is useful. But we can lose our sense of autonomy, agency, engagement in the world if we do that. Literally, just with movement. So a couple more. What is your rhythm? Now, whatever your rhythm is, reverse it. Just go the other direction. Use your hands as much as you want to. Okay, last one. Let's meet standing. Okay, great. Take a breath. Now let's practice a pattern together. We're going to sit back by squatting, leaning back, use your hands, and then come back up to standing. You can't see what I'm doing on the ground. I don't want you to. You just sit back. Find a way to comfortably get all the way to your rear, your feet, your hands, and then find your way back up. So down you go, backwards, and then up you go. Down and back, up. Now you may go one hand and then the other. That's often the case. Down and back, and up you go. Down and up. Now, if you need, rest. Hang out there. Rest for a second. What's it like to just be okay, be in here, and then get up? So we're going to make this a little bit more dynamic. Down you go. And at some point, I'd like you to feel an urgency to come up, even if you have to sort of fake it. So ready? Let's just practice one. Go. Up you go. Back down. Pause. Go. Good. So practice the sense of letting everything organize immediately. Go. To stand up, to get up. Down you go. Now it could be fast, it could be slow. Don't judge yourself for the speed. Go. If you trip, if you fall, that's fine. Down you go. And go. Excellent. Great job. So notice that alertness that starts to show up. Finally, we're going to come all the way down by leading with your hands. So down you go into a bit of a squat. Your hands come to the ground, and you go all the way forward, and then all the way back up. Down to your knees, your hands, and all the way back up. Now if that's feeling good, go all the way down, face down, which will look like this. So, all the way up, all the way down, to your degree. Just a couple last moves. Last one. Great job. Stand up, look around, feel your body after having gotten up and down a few times. And let's come in for our minute of silence. So close your eyes, drop your arms, let your breathing do whatever it wants to do. Open your eyes, move your body. Thanks for waking up, Epic. Notice how today's experience of hearing the call and getting up to answer that call or taking your time to be down ripples into your day. Where do you notice what's new and what insights do you see? Because they're always there. Have a great day. Thanks for being Epic.